Samsung Galaxy S22 series will be launching in the month of January from Samsung. This is going to be the flagship level device that is coming from the company, and the S22 Ultra is the biggest upgrade yet from any Samsung S series device. It's going to be coming with an improved processor inside with a better GPU, also coming with an upgraded camera sensor, and there are going to be some design changes expected for the S22 series. Also in the leaks we have here about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which will be coming with a 3K resolution of a display. So in this video we're going to discuss about all the features and rumors that has been expected to be coming in the Galaxy S22 series. The new rumor suggests that the S22 Ultra will see the return of the 45 watt of a charging speed inside, and if you look at the S21 Ultra, that was not packed with a 45 watt charging. Instead it was a downgrade from the S20 Ultra, and it was coming with a 25 watt of charging speed inside. We also got the information from Exynos that the S22 will be coming with a 25 watt of a charging speed inside. So this means that we are going to see different kinds of a charging capability or charging speed for their fast charging of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. Moving on towards the chipset news and the Exynos 2200 specifically, the CAT says that it will have powerful Cortex X2 core running at a 2.9 GHz, while the cluster of 3 big Cortex A710 cores will trick at 2.8 GHz. The remaining 4x energy efficient Cortex A510 units are expected to run at 2.2 GHz. The AMD GPU is rumored to be offered. The Exynos also pointed out that the clock speed of the GPU are for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, whereas the S22 Plus and the S22 will feature a chipset at lower clock speed, which make me wonder that Samsung is using same kind of a method that iPhone has used, whereas the 13 Pro and Pro Max are coming with different GPU, and similar situation is here with the S22 series. Anyhow, last but not the least, the S22 and the S22 Plus will get an upgraded main camera sensor, and it's going to be the Samsung ISOCELL GN5 50 megapixel sensor with odd directional autofocus and a big 1.0 micrometer pixel. This is going to be a better upgrade for both the S22 and S22 Plus, because the Samsung GN5 sensor will be coming with an 8K video recording support, which is definitely going to be a great option to have inside the device. Also, it has a dual pixel autofocus support, which means we have a better quality image. Moving forward, we have some key information about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The current expectation for the Samsung to launch the S8 tablet alongside with the S22 smartphone. In both trials, the Ultra model will be the best equipped devices. The Tab S8 Ultra will have a 14.6 OLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. This leak is also coming from Exynos, who adds that the display will have an 1848 pixel resolution, and that is 16 by 10 aspect ratio. Since this is going to be a huge tablet, so it's coming with an OLED panel as well. This means that the tablet will drain much faster battery. So in order to tackle that, Samsung will be powering the Tab S8 Ultra at 11,500 mAh of a battery capacity, which is in line to the earlier leak. Charging will be done at 45 watt. Based on earlier reports from Exynos, the tablet will use the Snapdragon 898 chips instead of the Exynos 2200, which will be featured even in the US variant of the S22 phone. The Galaxy Tab S8 is expected to be having an 11-inch LCD with S8 Plus 12.4-inch OLED 120 Hz of panel. All three will have a 45 watt of charging, so the main difference will be the screen, battery and price. So guys, all in all, the S22 series is going to be one of the best of the that is coming from a Samsung. So I am expecting that Samsung will be bringing some innovation in terms of camera and hardware, and even the design has to be tweaked sometime around. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.